In this video, we listed the 15 best self-defense gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, AIIRO+ Glock 17 Blowback .177. The AIIRO+ Glock 17 Blowback .177 caliber BB gun air pistol is a realistic replica of the iconic Glock 17, designed for target shooting and training. This air pistol features a full metal slide with a blowback action, providing an authentic shooting experience. It fires .177 caliber steel BBS and is powered by a 12G cartridge, offering a semi-automatic firing mode. Given your interest in outdoor gear, precision tools, and DIY equipment, this BB gun could align well with recreational target practice or training purposes. It mimics the real Glock 17's weight, grip, and trigger pull, making it a great option for firearm enthusiasts looking for a safe and affordable alternative to live fire practice. Additionally, its drop-free magazine, fixed sights, and Picatinny rail for accessories add to its versatility. Product 2. Product name Jippen Pure Handmade Samurai Sword. The Jippen Pure Handmade Samurai Sword is a high-quality, full-tan katana crafted for enthusiasts and collectors. Made from 9260 spring steel, this black katana is designed for durability, flexibility, and sharpness, making it ideal for cutting practice and display. Measuring 41.31 inches in overall length, it follows traditional Japanese sword-making techniques, ensuring authenticity and precision. Given your interests in high-performance tools, outdoor gear, and precision-crafted items, this sword aligns well with your appreciation for durability and craftsmanship. Whether for martial arts practice, collection, or display, the Jippen katana is a strong addition to any samurai sword collection. Product 3. Product name Sabre Home Defense Projectile Launcher. The Sabre Home Defense Projectile Launcher is a non-lethal home security device designed to provide an extra layer of protection. This large-sized launcher uses 0.68 caliber impact projectiles, offering 40% more stopping power for enhanced home defense. It features a 7-round capacity and compact dimensions of 6.89-inch x 8.56-h, making it easy to handle and store. This projectile launcher is ideal for homeowners looking for a safe yet effective alternative to traditional firearms. The kinetic impact projectiles can deter intruders by delivering a strong, painful impact without lethal force. Sabre, known for its expertise in personal and home safety, ensures that this device is reliable and accessible for emergency situations. Product 4. Product name Big Rig Defense Hickory Stick Tire Thumper. The Big Rig Defense Hickory Stick Tire Thumper is a multi-purpose tool designed primarily for truckers to quickly check tire pressure by giving tires a solid strike. Made from durable hickory wood, this weighted stick provides a reliable and efficient way to detect underinflated tires based on sound and feel. Beyond its primary use, the Big Rig Defense Tire Thumper also functions as a fish bat knocker for anglers, helping to swiftly and humanely dispatch fish. Additionally, the extra grip handle ensures a firm hold, even in wet or slippery conditions, making it a practical tool for various outdoor and professional uses. Product 5. Product name Stainless Steel Blade. The stainless steel blade is a 9.5-inch survival tactical knife designed for home use, outdoor camping, fishing, and general utility purposes. It features a durable stainless steel blade, which is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and reliability in various conditions. The all-steel solid handle provides a firm grip and enhances durability, making it a dependable tool for rugged outdoor activities. This knife is well suited for survival situations, cutting tasks, and tactical applications, making it a versatile choice for adventurers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. The silver finish adds a sleek aesthetic while maintaining its robust functionality. Product 6. Product name Atomic Bear Stealth Pen Pro. The Atomic Bear Stealth Pen Pro is a tactical pen designed for both self-defense and everyday utility. It features an enhanced writing experience while incorporating a glass breaker tip, making it a versatile survival tool. Built for durability, this pen is ideal for emergency situations, allowing users to escape or defend themselves if necessary. Additionally, it includes bonus training on self-defense techniques, adding extra value for users who want to learn how to protect themselves effectively. Given your interest in EDC gadgets, pocket knives, and survival tools like the small pocket knife for men and the Grail GeoPress water purifier, the Atomic Bear Stealth Pen Pro aligns well with your preferences. It serves as a discreet yet powerful self-defense tool, making it a great addition to any EDC, everyday carry, kit. It also makes for a thoughtful gift for men who appreciate practical, multifunctional gear. Product 7. Product name Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife. The Civivi Mini Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a compact and versatile EDC, everyday carry, knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and general utility tasks. Featuring a 2.98-inch D2 steel blade, this knife offers excellent edge retention, sharpness, and durability, making it ideal for cutting, slicing, and precision tasks during camping, hiking, or survival situations. The G10 handle provides a secure, non-slip grip, ensuring comfort and control during extended use. With a liner lock mechanism, the Mini Praxis ensures safe and reliable deployment, while the pocket clip allows for easy and discreet carry. This knife aligns well with the user's interest in practical, high-quality tools and accessories, such as the small pocket knife with a carabiner and various outdoor gear like survival tools, gaming laptops, and EDC gadgets. Its compact yet rugged build makes it a great addition to an everyday carry kit, providing functionality, durability, and convenience in one sleek design. Product 8. Product name Sabre Pepper Spray. The Sabre Pepper Spray and 2-in-1 stun gun with flashlight is a versatile self-defense tool designed for personal safety. This compact self-defense kit combines a powerful pepper spray with a stun gun, making it an effective option for individuals looking to enhance their personal security. Key features of this product include: fast flip-top safety. This safety mechanism allows for quick access in emergencies, ensuring you can respond promptly when needed. Finger grip. The design includes a finger grip, providing better control and faster aiming during high-pressure situations. Powerful stun gun. The stun gun delivers a painful 1.60 C charge, which can incapacitate an attacker, giving you valuable time to escape. Bright LED light. The integrated 120 lumen LED flashlight helps illuminate dark areas and can also temporarily blind an attacker, adding an extra layer of defense. Rechargeable. The device is rechargeable, making it convenient and cost-effective for users who want to ensure their self-defense tool is always ready for use. Product 9. Product name Small Pocket Knife. The small pocket knife for men is an essential everyday carry, EDC, gadget designed for convenience and practicality. With a compact size and a 1.34-inch stainless steel blade, this mini folding knife is perfect for a variety of tasks, from opening packages to minor cutting jobs. Its lightweight design makes it easy to attach to a keychain or carry in a pocket, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. This knife is not only functional but also serves as a self-defense tool, making it a versatile addition to any man's gear. Its discreet appearance allows it to blend seamlessly into everyday life while providing peace of mind. The small pocket knife is also an excellent gift option, particularly as a stocking stuffer for Christmas or special occasions. Its practicality, durability, and compact design make it a thoughtful present for adults and men who appreciate handy gadgets in their daily routines. Product 10. Product name Taser Bolt 2. The Taser Bolt 2 is a compact and effective self-defense device designed for personal protection. This advanced model features a user-friendly design, making it accessible for individuals seeking a reliable means of defense. The Bolt 2 delivers a powerful electric shock, incapacitating potential threats while allowing the user to maintain a safe distance. With a range of approximately 15 feet, the Taser Bolt 2 provides an added layer of safety, enabling users to deter attackers without close confrontation. The device is equipped with a safety switch to prevent accidental discharge and features a LED flashlight to help identify threats in low-light situations. The personal protection kit typically includes a rechargeable battery, practice cartridges, and a protective holster for convenient carrying. Product 11. Product name AIIRO+2020 Duo Concealable. The AIIRO+2020 Duo Concealable non-lethal self-defense device is designed for personal safety, providing an innovative option for individuals seeking effective protection without the use of lethal force. This self-defense tool combines compact design with advanced technology, allowing users to carry it discreetly. The AIIRO+2020 features two modes of operation, offering versatility in various situations. It typically includes non-lethal deterrents such as pepper spray or stun capabilities, ensuring users can defend themselves effectively while minimizing the risk of causing permanent harm. This device is particularly suitable for those who prioritize safety and wish to feel empowered without resorting to traditional weapons. The design is user-friendly, making it accessible for individuals of all ages and backgrounds. The AIIRO+2020 is ideal for everyday carry, fitting seamlessly into a purse, backpack, or even a pocket. Its ergonomic grip and intuitive activation mechanisms ensure that users can react swiftly in emergencies. Product 12. Product name Reckon Tanto 7-inch SK, 5 razor-sharp blade. The cold steel Reckon Tanto 7-inch SK, 5 razor-sharp blade is a formidable military tactical fixed-blade knife designed for durability and performance. It features a 7-inch SK, 5 high-carbon steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention and toughness, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The razor-sharp blade is designed for precision cutting and slicing, ensuring efficiency in various applications, from outdoor adventures to tactical situations. The knife is equipped with a 4.75-inch crkt handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, even in challenging conditions. This ergonomic design ensures maximum control during use, enhancing safety and effectiveness. Product 13. Product name crkt Williams Defense Key. The crkt Williams Defense Key is an innovative EDC, everyday carry, personal defense tool designed for practical use and self-defense situations. This compact keychain tool features a unique design that resembles a standard key, allowing for discreet carry and easy integration with your everyday items. One of its standout features is the Phillips head screwdriver tip, which adds functionality for various tasks, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. The Williams Defense Key is crafted with durable materials to ensure reliability in various situations. It provides users with a means of personal defense while maintaining a low profile, ideal for those who value both practicality and security. This tool aligns well with other EDC items, complementing the user's lifestyle, whether for work, travel, or outdoor activities. With the growing interest in personal safety and functional gadgets. Product 14. Product name EDC Pocket Knife. The EDC Pocket Knife is a versatile and essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry, EDC, aficionados. Featuring a 7cr13 move steel Tanto blade, this knife offers excellent edge retention and durability, making it suitable for various tasks, from camping and hiking to everyday use. Its slim design ensures easy portability, while the clip allows for convenient attachment to pockets or bags. The knife is equipped with a liner lock mechanism, providing secure blade locking during use for added safety. Additionally, it includes a window breaker, enhancing its functionality for emergency situations. Whether you're navigating the wilderness or tackling daily tasks, the EDC Pocket Knife is a reliable companion, combining practicality with robust construction. Product 15. Product name Burner SD Kinetic Launcher. The Burner SD Kinetic Launcher is a versatile self-defense tool designed for personal and home protection, offering a non-lethal alternative to traditional firearms. It utilizes kinetic projectiles, making it suitable for users seeking to deter threats without causing serious injury. The launcher is part of the Burner SD Ultimate Bundle, which includes various accessories and ammunition to enhance the user's experience and readiness for self-defense situations. Proudly assembled in the USA, the Burner SD emphasizes quality and reliability. Its compact design and easy-to-use mechanism allow for quick deployment, making it ideal for individuals looking for an effective self-defense option. The kinetic launcher fires projectiles that can incapacitate an assailant while minimizing the risk of permanent harm, making it an appealing choice for personal safety. With a growing interest in self-defense tools and non-lethal options, the burner SD Kinetic Launcher stands out as a practical solution.